Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make almond chocolate easy method. Melt chocolate gently over low heat and stir until smooth, then fold in toasted almonds and flavorings. Keep chocolate warm but not hot so it stays glossy, and dip or pour confidently. Chill briefly to set, then break or cut into pieces and store in an airtight container to keep crunch and flavor. Gather ingredients and tools first to make the process smooth and stress-free. Choose good quality chocolate and fresh almonds, and measure by weight for repeatable results. Toast almonds lightly on a tray until fragrant but not overly brown, then let them cool before chopping or leaving whole. Set up a double boiler or microwave in short bursts and have a tray lined with baking paper ready for pouring. Start by melting 2/3 of your chocolate gently, then add the remaining third to cool and smooth the mix if you choose to temper. Stir continuously to maintain shine and avoid burning, then quickly mix in toasted almonds and a pinch of salt or a drop of extract. Spread evenly on the lined tray, tap out bubbles, chill until firm, and break or slice into nice pieces for serving or gifting.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.